How to quickly deposit Solana in Axiom. So in order to deposit Solana in Axiom, first you need to locate the deposit section in the platform. So find the access deposit area and then find your Axiom deposit address. So within the deposit section, you should see a unique Axiom deposit address, often displayed as a string of characters. Then copy the deposit address. So make sure to carefully copy the provided Axiom deposit address. Then go to your Solana wallet or the Phantom one. Then prepare your SOL, which is initiating a transfer, then select the send or transfer option within your wallet. Then you want to paste the copied deposit address from the Axiom and make sure it is the correct deposit address. Then enter the amount that you want to send or deposit, and then you want to send and verify it by sending the transaction. And it's highly recommended to conduct a small test transaction first to ensure that the address is correct before sending larger amounts. And if you don't have an SOL available, Axiom also offers the option to purchase SOL through Coinbase, and that's how you can quickly deposit Solana in Axiom.